Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am still your favorite Mr. Ever, the owner of DBC Creations. So today we are going to be doing a little unboxing. We just got a new baby in the house. I'm so excited because it gives me joy that I can be able to get it by myself, if you know what I mean. Why I like it is it doesn't consume space. You can use it anywhere. Just put it, set it one place and start using it. And it's super fast, super amazing. I love the outcome. I love everything about this, and it's so cute. I just pray that they are, or let me just say, I just pray that it is in the, or she is in the right condition, and we are going to put it to a test also to see how everything goes smoothly. So without as much of your time, let's dive into the video. Okay. This is how the package came in. Taking my time to unseal. Here I am unsealing it because it's fragile. Opening our baby and also removing all the bala blues and bringing out our new baby, setting it on the table. I'm going to show you guys the baby in the house. See our new baby. I love everything about it. I love the color, the size, the color combo, the whole build up and everything. And they are super strong. The handle is strong. Everything about this machine is super strong. The tension. And guess what? It have two needles to work with. Guys, I love the overview of this, the side view, the up view, the front view. Everything about it is super clean and okay. I saw this small compartment and I was like, what can be inside? And also I love the fact that it have an air vent on it so that the machine will not overheat while using it to work. So I saw this extension and decided to fix it. I noticed that the one side have broken, but it's kind of manageable. So this part holds the excess fabric that is being trimmed out. Guys, take a look at this sweetheart. I love everything about it. It will make my work so cute and easy. I got it from IJ Sewing Machine from Instagram, guys. I love this whole thing about this machine. And you know what? I think it will be super cute to trade. Guys, can you see the inner where the machine, where the needle is, and everything about it? So this small compartment, let's take a look what's inside it. So when I opened it, I saw that it has small accessories on it. So I will be checking what's inside. So in the accessory pack, I noticed that it came with brush, needle. No, it didn't. It came with brush. This straight stand for one got damaged. Then I don't know what this got. I think the resin or the mouth of the machine. Then this is the mouth of the machine. Then it came with oil container, which I'm bringing out. It's super small, but I love the fact that it's small so that you can easily just put some oil on your machine. So I love the fact that it came with this small brush so that you can use it to brush out any fabric dust from your machine so that your machine will not go blunt. So this is very important. Whether you have Serger, whatever machine you have, this is very important to have. So it also came with this knot looser, maybe spanner or what. I don't know what it's called, but I love the fact that it have the big one, and I love how triangular, or I don't know the shape, but I love how it looks. I love the handle. It looks strong, and I love the fact that it's handy. So it also came with a small one, the small size. The same thing, you can use this to lose the small knots and the big one to lose the bigger knots. So it also came with this thread pump or thread fixer. You can use it to fix your thread inside the needle. I don't know what it's called. You guys can help me out in the comment section. And it comes with this thread pull or thread pole. I don't know what it's called. So here is our cable, our machine cable. So I'm adjusting it to fix where the cable head is. So fixing it, I noticed that the mouth is kind of disfigured in a way. On the sewing machine, and it came to life. You can see me touching the machine, touching everything to make sure which one is quit so that I will not spoil my machine in the end. So I ended up fixing the machine because one of the thread removed. So me, I don't turn to engineer Akike. Hey. So there is a kind of a step method on the machine that I'm using to fix it. I don't know if I did it right, but I think I missed one step. So trying to check everything, and this machine didn't come with tweezer. I am using my old manual weaving machine tweezer to fix the thread. So basically I'm using the experience I have with the other weaving machine to do this as well. So no knowledge is a waste, guy. No knowledge is a waste. So I'm doing what I know how to do best. So I did try, and it worked. So you can see me, but when I wind it up, the machine is not picking up. So when you have this type of machine, make sure you close it before you can be able to use it. So after I pedal it and the machine is working, I decided to test it on the paper gum that it came with, and everything looks so cute. Guys, I so much love this. Like, this is giving me joy. I have stopped my production because of this, and see me checking and testing the tensions to see how it looks. Guys, some parts, some of the tensions, you can put it to neutral, you can put it to high, you can put it to low, you can set it depending on what you want to achieve. So when testing it, I noticed that this paper is hard. So I am going for my own fabric to check if it can also sew soft and hard fabric as well. And it comes with an inner scissors. Can you see? So life made easy. Guys, we tension you guys with this, so just prepare for me. Prepare to be sick of me. Guys, I love the outcome. I love the results. I love it's giving me joy. For trader is big. So here I am bringing out my fabric that I have cut out and deciding to use my serger to finish the rough edges. Guys, you can use this serger to sew and also finish. So you can see, you don't even need your machine to join them together. You can use your serger to join and also to finish it. So here I am. Also, the thread cut, and one of the thread cuts one of the needle thread cuts. So I finished up with one needle thread, and then decided to fix the remaining because 2 thread is kind of super cute and adorable. I love, the stitches that it came with. So I learned my lesson that after fixing your whole fixable, you make sure that you close your machine and see the stitches of what I did. So can you guys see how sweet it looks like? Thank you guys for watching.